in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find a list of all installed Bible versions on BibleShow program. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you want to know which versions you have installed on your BibleShow program, first go ahead and open your BibleShow program. And once you're here, you can see we have here quite a number of versions. So if you go to Bibles here, you'll be able to see all the installed versions, and they have an indication here, remove. It means it has already been installed. But this is not the best way to filter. The best way to filter and see a list of all the versions installed is to head to references here, or you can just click on reference on top here. And from reference here, you should be able to see all the versions installed. As you can see, I have King James, I have Message, and I have NASB and New King James Version. So this is how you can see. If you want to switch from any version, you can just go ahead and click on it and it will be displayed here. So that's how you can find all the Bible versions installed on BibleShow. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.